Metro don't trust you, I'm gon' shoot you.
Beautiful morning, yeah, the sun in my morning, babe.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Marissa, and today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on the look I have going on right now. And I used just one palette, and it was the Just Peachy Matte palette. You guys know, ooh, my hair is going crazy. You guys know I love this palette. It smells amazing, and it's just the perfect palette for fall. It has transition shades, your dark shades, your light shades, and it's an all matte palette, and it's just perfect for fall and summer, winter. But I love just this area right here with all the berry brown shades. So that's what I did today for my eyes, and went with a dark lip because I just feel like since it's September, fall's around the corner. Starbucks put out their pumpkin spice flavor. It means that it's fall, okay? When Starbucks puts out their pumpkin spice, I pull out my fall makeup. So if you want to see this makeup tutorial, then just keep on watching. So I just put my hair back for the makeup look, and I want to do more of like a fallish type of look, you know, because it is now September and Starbucks just put out their pumpkin spice. That means it's fall. So it might not be fall in Arizona, but it's fall in my heart, okay? I swear, every time I film, this ear gets like clogged and I can like hear myself echoing. And I don't know why. Anyways, we're gonna be using the Just Peachy Matte palette by Too Faced. You guys know I love this palette. It smells delicious, but it's literally perfect for fall. So that's what we're gonna be using today. I'm gonna start by prepping my eyes. So I'm gonna use this Morphe eyelid primer. I really do enjoy this primer. It makes like everything so much smoother, and that's why I love it. And then I'm gonna go in my Painterly Paint Pot by MAC and just kind of go over that eyelid primer, because that eyelid primer is a little bit translucent. Well, it's in the shade translucent. So I'm just gonna use my paint pot to really even out my eyelid. So to start off this look, I'm going to be taking peach butter here. Yeah, peach butter, no, yeah. So to start off this look, I'm gonna be taking peach butter right here and just setting my eyelid and setting down the paint pot and eyelid primer. I'm gonna be taking my E27 brush, this really nice fluffy brush from Morphe, and for the transition shade, Peach Cobbler here. It's a nice like brick brown kind of, like with a little bit of red undertone. And what I'm gonna be doing, gotta wipe this mirror off. What I'm gonna be doing is just putting that as like the transition shade here. And I want it to be very even, so I'm applying it to the outer corner all the way into the inner corner. There's nothing left on my brush. I'm just gonna start sweeping it upwards towards that brow bone. My Morphe M513. Just clean it off a bit, and for the crease shade, I don't know, let me see what I want to do because I'm not sure. I'm gonna go with Peach Tart here. It's like a nice brownish color, just to really like intensify the crease. And by the way, this is gonna be an all matte look. So yeah, so I'm just gonna apply this directly into the crease. Back in with that big fluffy brush, I'm just going to blend the edges out. I'm gonna do some inner corner, not inner corner, I'm gonna work on the outer corner now and like the outer V. And for that, I'm gonna take a Morphe R39. Mine's a little messed up, but I'm going to be taking, what do I want to do? Peach Sangria here. It's a nice like purpley shade because I am going to be going in with this purple shade for the crease. So, I mean for the lid, not the crease. And I kind of want this lighter like sangria color in the outer V area. So I'm just going to buff that into the outer V area. I really love the way this look is turning out. I don't know if I want to put that purple in the lid area or like keep it nice and light, because I really love the transitions of these colors that I have going on. So I don't know. I think I am going to keep it light because I love like the transition that is going on here. These two colors, Peaches and Cream and Fresh picked these nice peachy browns. And I'm gonna mix them together. And I'm gonna apply that right where we applied that concealer. So I finished up the eyes off camera, and what I did was add a little bit of this chocolate dipped color and used it kind of as like a little eyeliner and did a little bit of wing, but you can't really tell, but it just gives a little bit of definition right in that outer corner. So we're going to move on to the face, I think, or should we do brows? I'm gonna move on to the face and then I'm gonna do brows and mascara after that so they don't get all messed up. This is more of like a matte primer. So I'm going to actually mix in these e.l.f. Liquid highlighter into my primer. So that way we have a nice glowy base. I hope it's not gonna be too much. And I hope we don't look like an oily grease ball, but you can only hope for the best, okay? For foundation, I came home and brought a lot of stuff home, but I was gonna go for a matte look, but we're not today, but this is the only foundation I have. So it's the Matte and Poreless, and it's not like super matte, so that's why I like it. And it's by Maybelline, so I'm gonna use that. And I'm just gonna be using like a little bit, like my Urban Decay Naked Concealer. And I'm going to be covering most of my face with my concealer like I always do, because you guys know I'm not a big foundation girl. It's just a preference of mine. And then what I'm going to do is I have the color on the back of my hand here, and I'm going to take my little applicator here and dip it in, and then go over the concealer and add a little bit of that foundation so you get a little bit more coverage. a little bit of concealer under the eye to brighten just a smidget. So I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution concealer to do so, and I'm doing just a little bit, like literally like a few dots. LA Girl Pro Powder in Banana Yellow, and set the under eye a little bit. I'm really just setting the under eye because I'm going to take my L'Oreal True Match powder in W5 Sand Beige, and I'm just going to take a big brush. This one's my Too Faced, and just lightly, like, just over the face. I went ahead and did the lower lash line, and what I did for that was just put this color just right under the lash line. It's a nice, like, purpley plum color. And then I did my mascara, which I was going to do false lashes, but I forgot little scissors, so I couldn't cut them to my eye length. And then I just did my brows, which I'm not the best at brows, which you guys already know. I'm going to bronze up the skin with my Catrice Sun Lover bronzer, just a nice sheen. And what I'm going to do is take a big fluffy brush, like this is a big brush, and literally just bronze up the skin a lot. For blush, I'm gonna go with this NARS ALMERIA. I think this was like a limited edition blush, like in a holiday collection. I don't know, I got it a while ago, but I'll try to link it down below if I can find it. I'm not sure, but it's like a nice berry color, perfect for fall. So I'm just gonna put some on the cheeks. I'm gonna go with my Essence Pure Nude with my M510 brush, you already know, and just wet it all. And we're gonna highlight. I need to hold a mirror to see. For lips, I'm gonna go with my Bare Minerals Icon. This is their matte one. And I love this, and I think this would look really good with the eye look. And this is the most comfortable liquid lipstick I've ever tried. And you guys know I love this because I've put on my channel a few times. So I'm back, did my hair, and this is the final look. I'm really happy with how it turned out. And I don't know, I'm just in that fall vibe because it is September. Leaves are about to change. Well, not here where I live, but everywhere else. And like I said, when Starbucks puts out their pumpkin spice, that means I pull out the fall makeup. I hope you guys really enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I haven't done like a full beat face in so long, and I had really fun doing this video and creating this look. So give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below any video suggestions, and I'll see you guys in my next video.